Guys, today we are using olive oil relaxer. We have the activator, the relaxer itself that you will mix with the activator, and then we have the mousse. It has a set mousse. We also have the shampoo, aloe vera, for shampooing your hair after you have relaxed it. And then we have the hair lotion, yes, to prevent it from drying. It will moisturize your hair. And then we have the conditioner in a brown pack, 25 ml. So first of all, first things first, we're gonna mix the activator with the relaxer itself, the lye now. So you will mix. The activator is in yellow color, so you will mix the mixture until it gives you a smooth, consistent fluid. That's when your relaxer will be ready. So I'll start mixing. So the mixture is ready, that's it. So I'll part my hair into 3 sections for easy application because I have a lot of hair and the volume is too much. So the first time I put relaxer on my hair, I ended up shaving my hair because the maintenance was not good and I had no time to maintain my hair. So first things first, if you are opting to relax your hair, you have to decide and make a decision that you're gonna have time for your hair. That is relaxing, combing your hair, deep conditioning your hair so that it doesn't turn brown and it also doesn't start breaking and having loose ends. So that's one thing you're supposed to adhere when you're relaxing your hair. Also choose a nice product for your hair. Your salonist will help you decide on which relaxer you have to use. We have different types of relaxers. So we have the Miyadi, TCB, Mega Growth, Olive Oil, Dark and Lovely, all those. For me, I would advise you go for a relaxer that suits your hair. And for my hair, I choose the packet ones because they come as a set. You can get, like, this olive oil has a mousse, it has a conditioner. They're small sachets, but they'll do your hair wonders. So if you're using Miyadi, you can also buy separate, or if you're using the same Miyadi, just look for the shampoo of Miyadi, like have a set of the same product, yes, for better results. So some people have weak hair, like mine is for C hair. So first time I used a super relaxer because my hair is hard, and for those who have weak hair and soft hair, they can use just normal strength relaxer. You can't have soft hair and go for super relaxer. Super means the relaxer has more power to relax your hair, and normal is just like it's relaxing but in stages, so it might take time to relax your hair. Then mild is now the coolest. It just relax your hair very slowly without burning your skin. So for relaxing your own hair the way I'm doing, you will start by applying your relaxer on the growth, because this is a retouch. This is not I'm not applying the relaxer for the first time. I'm just retouching my growth. So the best way to go, there is always a spoon where you use it, where you have to use it to apply, but I'm using my finger so that I can reach my growth. Usitumie ile mbao inakuaga hapo ndani. Mbao will not help you penetrate your growth because you're doing it yourself, obviously. So you need your fingers. So your fingers will apply your relaxer very well at the base of your hair, touching every growth and undergrowth you have with your hair. So you will start by touching the growth but not your skin. Yes, like try so much not to put the relaxer on your skin because it will start itching and burning you before even the hair starts getting relaxed. So you'll apply, then the second time you will go in with the small comb to just comb off the undergrowth. So after you have done that, you will now apply the relaxer all over your head and start massaging it with your hands to penetrate every corner of your undergrowth hair. So you'll do this like for some minutes and then leave it to just relax, maybe 15 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on your scalp. But make sure your fingers have touched every corner and every part of your head where there is growth, especially the middle part. Massage it the way I'm doing. Yes. It's a very simple procedure. You can do it by yourself so long as you have a blow dry to dry your hair. You're okay, darling. You can do this. Let's go. So if you are new here, kindly like, share and subscribe. I'll really appreciate. And if you've been here since the beginning, thank you for your time, thank you for your patience, thank you for supporting this journey. I love you wherever you are. So here we are back. I'm just washing off the relaxer because it started burning my skin. Not like burning, but you just feel like, okay, it's enough. My hair is soft, there is no growth. Now it's time to wash. Wash it with fresh water. Wash until you cleanse every relaxer from your hair. Yes, because if you leave any traces of relaxer, it means that your scalp will be bruised by the relaxer or with the relaxer. I don't know, English is not Englishing at this point. So I'm using a jug. Yes, I'm using a jug, and underneath I have a very big basin where the water is pouring. So to ensure that the relaxer is out, we have a neutralizing shampoo. So this neutralizing shampoo, what it does, cleanses off all the relaxer. So it will turn into a pink foam. If you see pink foam, it means the relaxer is still there. So we'll put the shampoo until the foam becomes white. As you can see, my foam is pink. It means the relaxer is still there. So I'll keep on washing my hair with the neutralizing shampoo until the foam becomes white in color. And that's how you know that the relaxer is fully cleansed from your hair. So I'll continue washing and washing and washing until I'm done. So enjoy the video. For more of this video, kindly subscribe, follow me on my Facebook page, on my TikTok. I'm here for you. I'll be doing everything regarding hair for you guys. Yes, so enjoy the video. Thank you. Afterwards, I'm gonna blow dry my hair and style it as desired. Just wait for the transformation, darlings. You won't believe that I did it myself. I relaxed my hair myself. I retouched myself. Yes. Thank you for watching.